What's up guys, Ray from Barbecue Man LV back again with another recipe. This one is gonna be a portobello mushroom bun chicken burger. So this is a fully low carb burger or chicken sandwich, however you wanna say it. It's gonna be a grilled chicken sandwich, and I'm gonna coat that chicken with the Profile barbecue sauce, get it nice and caramelized on the smoker. We'll get that chicken on here. We're also gonna grill these portobellos to kind of soften them up and get that bite through that you like from any of your hamburger buns. We'll have some fresh veggies on there. This thing's gonna be delicious. So first thing we're gonna do is prep these mushrooms. It's really simple. All we're gonna do is take out the centers here. We're gonna hit them with a little bit of fat-free cooking spray, a little bit of granulated garlic, and then we're gonna throw them on the smoker, soften them up a little bit, okay? So let's go ahead and get this thing started here. So these are real easy, guys. You're just gonna kind of pinch and pull. You wanna be careful that you don't break the cap itself, but these will pull off real easy. You can set these to the side. Some folks like to use these, chop them up in something else, and you can definitely eat them. It's still edible. Not really something you wanna just waste in most cases. So let's get all four. The smaller ones do get a little more difficult to do without breaking the cap, but you can do it, just take your time. So once you get these all out, you're gonna have the portobellos now with no center. It's gonna be flat. Otherwise, when we go to put them together later, you would have the stem sticking off. It'd be a little hard to use it as a bun, right? So what we're gonna hit is this underside here. We're gonna hit it with some fat-free cooking spray of your choice, whatever you like to use. You can use oil if you wanna use oil and kind of use that as your fat. But we're gonna put some cheese on these burgers, and that's gonna be our fat for this, this meal. So we're gonna do just a quick spray on each one. And right now I have our grill on. It's sitting right around 300 degrees. So when we go out there, these are gonna be, ready to go on the grill. The grill is fully warmed up, so it shouldn't take too long for these to cook. They're gonna be on there just for a little while. So I'm gonna do a light dusting of granulated garlic on the bottom side. That's just for a little bit of flavor. You can also add stuff like oregano, thyme, any of the seasonings that you prefer. I just like to keep it simple. Just garlic, because the chicken is gonna have a lot of seasoning and some sauce and things like that that are gonna pick up all the flavor profiles that I'm looking for. I also hit the outside. I know a lot of it's gonna kind of soak up there, just so I can give it something for this garlic to stick to. So that's it. That is all the seasoning I'm putting on the portobellos. I'm gonna head outside, get these on the grill, and then I'm gonna get all the veggies prepped, get the chicken coated with sauce, then we're gonna come back to this board, put it all together. All right guys, so we're back. Everything is off the grill. I'm gonna go ahead and prep up the lettuce and the tomato, and we're gonna use cheese as the fat on our burger. So I'm gonna get this stuff cut, and then we're gonna go ahead and plate one of these up. So lettuce-wise, we are just using romaine. Obviously, I don't need a ton of it. So really, I'm gonna take a couple of pieces off of it. I did already rinse the romaine. Make sure you wash your lettuce. That's kind of a good practice to have whenever you're using lettuce. So make sure you wash your lettuce. Also, wash your tomatoes. I've already pre-washed my tomato. We're gonna get a couple good slices of tomato. I really like tomato on whether it be burgers or chicken, or I just like tomato. So we're gonna go ahead and slice these a little thick. That's all done. All right, so I'm gonna grab our portobellos. We're gonna start plating this amazing chicken burger. So, first thing is first, bottom bun, right? Portobello mushroom, nothing too crazy, doesn't look insane, it's just a portobello mushroom. That's what you think until you get to take a bite of this. So we've grilled it. Remember, we put garlic on it. We've seasoned it up a little bit, threw it on the grill. It was on there for probably about 15 minutes. I did flip it midway through. That way you let some of the moisture that gathers on the underside, which I cooked it top down first, so that moisture could kind of settle in there, cook a little bit, and then I flip it over and finish it off that way. So we're gonna go ahead and put our portobello first. Then we have our chicken breast that has been coated with Profile's barbecue sauce. It's great sauce, guys. You can measure this and cut it down to fit your allotment of meat. But we're gonna go ahead and set that on there. Our cheese, 3/4 of an ounce cheese, or one slice, it equates out to about that. It's about your 3/4 of an ounce. So we're gonna put our slice of cheese on there. Let's give it a nice big slab of tomato. And let's lay our leafy romaine. Top it with our portobello mushroom, which I did put a little bit of anything or all the bagel seasoning on the top there because, I mean, who doesn't like their bun to look like a sesame seed bun, right? So this thing is amazing. You can eat it just like this, pick it up and eat it. I'm gonna go ahead and slice it and then we'll replate it. That way you guys can kind of see the middle of this beautiful burger, this chicken sandwich. It's really good, guys. We've made these before. They're phenomenal, and it does make it nice because then you have essentially a bun to hold on to rather than, you know, lettuce wrap stuff is great, but the Portobello does give you a little bit more texture. So let's go ahead and slice this chicken sandwich. There we go. Got one more pass through. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. Nice and juicy chicken. You have the flavorful sauce underneath, the big chunk of tomato. Just a great dish.